In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear Basecamp notifications. If your Basecamp is constantly lighting up with alerts, or you feel like you're always playing catch-up with messages, this walkthrough will help you get everything back under control and keep it that way. First, make sure you're logged into your Basecamp account in your browser. From anywhere in Basecamp, head over to the main home screen. This is your central hub where you can see your projects, teams, and personal activity. It's also where you'll see your global notification options. At the top of the page, you should see a notifications area that shows your unread items. Here, look for an option that says Mark All Read. Go ahead and click that. This is a quick way to clear out the backlog of unread notifications in one go so you can start fresh. It doesn't delete anything, it just marks those updates as seen. Next, move up to the navigation at the top of the screen and click on Hey. This is Basecamp's main inbox for notifications and pings. Inside Hey, you'll see a list of recent updates, messages, comments, and activity that involve you. Take a moment to scan what's there so you know what's being cleared. In this Hey view, click on the highlighted item that stands out in the list. This will open a specific notification and take you into the related project or conversation. For example, you might see a message that someone posted in a project. Click that to jump into the full thread. This is useful if there are a few items you actually want to read before clearing everything else. Once you're in that project or organization area, look for the name of the organization or account near the top of the screen and click it. This brings you into a higher level view where you can get to your personal notification settings. From here, look for a link or text that says Change your notification settings and click it. This is where you control how often Basecamp notifies you and for what. On the notification settings page, you'll see options related to Hey, emails, and possibly device notifications. Click into the Hey section that's highlighted. Here, find the specific option that lets you stop notifying or otherwise reduce the noise. Click Stop Notifying if you no longer want alerts for that type of activity. You can also fine-tune which updates you care about most by adjusting the highlighted options around it, so you only get notifications that are actually important. Once you've done that, your old notifications are marked as read, and your future alerts will be much more manageable.